If you're fucking a woman and she's like, yeah, having a good time, and then suddenly she goes, that's probably a sign that she had a pain somewhere.
Hello, my name is Paris, and here I am with my friend Chesh. We work as Tantric sex instructors for the new Tantra, and in this video we're going to talk about vaginal de-armouring, what it is, and maybe why you or your girlfriend might need one.
I always will do a de-armouring on a person that I know has not done any de-armouring before. So first I will kind of spend time de-armouring her pussy, and then I will penetrate her with a cock, if the situation is there that you can do that.
De-armouring is the process of taking out numb and painful areas in the vagina using an internal pressure point massage. Unfortunately, most women don't feel so much. They're like numb, you know. There's an inability to feel inside of the pussy, and also therefore an inability to reach any deeper types of orgasms. And also a lot of women experience pain during sex, especially when you get fucked really deep on the cervix.
Yes, you want to avoid pain, unnecessary pain, but sometimes there is pain that you need to address.
Yes.
She's like, yeah, having a good time, and then suddenly she goes, she holds her breath. The best thing you can do is ask her, hey, did you have any pain? Do you have any pain here?
We're so used to, I mean, at least for me, that's how it was. I didn't say anything that I had pain. I was just avoiding the pain the whole time. But you want to go into the pain, just like you said. You want to just express it. We're so bad at it. I was really bad at it. I never said to people, ow, ow, ow. And even now, I can have a little bit of pain, and I just tell my partner straight away. I go, ow, ow, ow. And then he just stays there with his cock.
Like, say it to your partner. Ow, it hurts right there. Because there are ways you can, press on it to make it relax and go away. Because once you get through the pain, then underneath there's horniness.
Exactly.
So yeah.
It's totally worth it. I mean, going through it, for sure.
We've seen thousands of women go through this vaginal de-armouring process, both in workshops and also in private sessions. Chesh and I have had a de-armouring. It's such a difference afterwards. Your pussy becomes more orgasmic, more sensitive, kind of softer, more fluffy.
If you're going to do a de-armouring, it can get quite vulnerable. It can get quite sensitive for a woman. I mean, we can cry a lot during the de-armouring. It's a very vulnerable space to be in. So make sure that you, even if it's a newbie, you can still do it with someone you feel safe with, someone you feel good with, someone that you feel that you can relax and let go. I mean, the whole thing is about letting go and surrendering into the moment. If you have a partner that is not really completely there for you or present, or you feel unsafe with a person, it's going to be really hard for you to relax.
If you want to do this with someone who's never done it before, just make sure you really read up on what it is and how to do it.
The founder of the new Tantra, Alexa Vartman, has dedicated a whole chapter on vaginal de-armouring in her book 50 Misconceptions of Sex.
We also have online video tutorials you can follow. So I would really recommend, to really check it out so you don't hurt anyone.
Just to be clear about one thing, vaginal de-armouring is not meant as a replacement for therapy or medical healing. And also don't experiment with vaginal de-armouring by yourself at home if the woman is pregnant. Then you should rather see a certified midwife.
If you feel really unsafe within yourself or insecure to do it with someone, and just do it with a professional person that has done this millions of times before.
And we also do it in the workshops, the Tantra TNT workshops, where where the facilitators will guide step by step how to do it.
And we're there to make sure that everybody gets the right service from each other, and if somebody needs something there, they will get the help. So that's also a pretty good space to do it.
Yeah. All the animations that you saw in this video were from our 21-day challenge. That's completely free, so you can check that out on 21daychallenge.com. Like and subscribe if you want more Tantra videos. Follow the new Tantra on social media, and ciao for now.